Again, PPL is professional people's love. Love. Pwede love kasi. Again, PPL, talent management and talent development. So we develop talents.
No, I just wanna greet everyone and wish you well kasi itong mga plano na ipinapakita sa inyo is a product of years, 17 years of building. Kasi hindi lang naman siya ngayon lang naisip magmula nung nag-umpisa ang PPL. Ito pa lang sinisimulan na niya yung gusto niyang gawin para sa mga artists na katulad natin.
Parang ito yung mother company na ngayon. What he wanted to do, I was very much interested. And eventually, not eventually, immediately,
We're so many po pala. Nag-live stream ako nung Orbo. Kumuha ng joke lang ako na kumuha ako ng video. Mag-alay tayo ng ito para tumigil yung ulan. Nagkaroon na ako agad ng notification na parang warning.
we can do mga ads, even for products, live events.
Being intentional, in other words, kailangan tayo
tackle mental health and well-being because we know that that's a core.
how many of you value your health? Can I say that? You value your health. So if you value your health, what is an important task?
Doon nag-uumpisa na. Say for example, you, as for me, I'm an actor, and how can I act if I'm not mentally stable? Diba?
Discuss with your partner. What does mental health mean to you? Well-being in general. So what
Partner, engage your partner.
Fight.
Okay, guys. Okay.
Look for the long-term goal na submit tayo and all that. So yeah.
Thank you.
Yung intention ko dapat direkta dun sa gusto mong ma-achieve.
And I think throughout the years, mas pagaling lang talaga ng pagaling si Boss sa pag-aalaga, di ba? Ng mga talents. Kaya nga pag tinatanong ako, bakit ba hanggang ngayon nasa PPL ka pa rin? Kasi syempre, it's, ano talaga, iba talaga yung alagang PPL. Para ika nga nila yung alagang PPL. Kasi nandyan yung professionalism, diba? Nandyan yung pagiging professional, kaya nga siya naging professional people's lab. Pero at the same time, nandyan yung pagiging parang ama at ina. Diba? At kaibigan, at ninong, at ninang, all rolled into one. Diba? Yung kanyang personal touch ng tunay na malasakit sa atin ay talagang ramdam na ramdam natin. So, I just wish everybody luck and hopefully this is just the beginning. We will be having many town halls, many educational sessions that will further improve our profession, our person, and even siguro basta yung buong pagkatao natin through the Professional People's Lab. So again, good luck sa inyo, good luck sa atin, good luck PPL.
Yes.
Thank you!
Parang good na naman, parang pwede, parang kung medyo okay,
Bawal ang scan, alam nyo na yan, alam nyo na yan. Yung pinaghirapan mo ng ilang taon, pwede mawala kasi yan. Parang bula. Basta anything that's gonna affect your career, kakalimutan ng tao, magaling mong mga accomplishments mo, ang maalala lang nila yung mali mo. Yan. Yung dumi. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, maligo Bukid.
Congratulations PPL, ang ganda nitong town hall meeting kasi na-discuss natin yung big plans for the sustainability at saka yung talagang growth ng PPL, and I'm happy to be part of it. Congratulations!
Now an audience who already loves you before you even perform. That's the hardest. Galing dito yung shoeing. So dapat, kasi reverse. I-reverse mo. Yes. Alright? Okay. I'll start. Shrink, 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 bong, shrink, 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 bong, shrink, 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 bong, shrink, 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 bong, shrink, 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 bong, shrink, 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 shrink. Dapat may consequence yan. Shrink, 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 zoom, shrink, 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 zoom, shrink, 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 shrink. Presence of mind, very good. What else? Alertness, very good. What else? Focus, very good. What else? Composure? Composure? What else?
Okay, yung parang hindi nyo, feeling nyo baka, ay hindi namin ito, hindi importante sa amin ito. No. Oo. Sa lahat ng mga discuss, ito yung isa sa pinaka-importante. Kasi dito pwede bumaba ang buhay ninyo, dito pa pwede umikli ang buhay ninyo, dito rin kayo pa pwedeng mademanda, dito kayo pa pwedeng, lahat eh dito. So kailangan nyo itong intindihin mabuti.
Ngayon, you have to claim it, but it will not be given to you in a silver platter. Do you agree?
Yeah.
You have to work hard for it. Kailangan pagtrabahuan. And some of you may already have this. May mga certain fans lang, you've already converted them share of spirit. What do you do when you're saying you got attention?
Like for example, diba sa live, diba? Like, they'll say like, ang pangit, pipin ko yung comment. Pipin ko yung
Sorry lang mo.
Kasi sabi ko na parang, kasi they want the fans to be noticed. So I said,
Okay lang yun.
I used to be a solo singer, tapos ngayon I'm with a band. Tapos I also do sports, tapos business, ganyan. Parang ang question ko po is sa personal profile ko, when you say content, kasi
thinking of ways to like expand my content. So I'm thinking like, what other ideas for it?
Do the work. Maraming salamat. Be relatable, be relevant, so you can have revenue. God bless you all. Maraming
Yan si Gabs nakikichensi.
Raven, by the way guys, sila talaga yung unang kong alagang dalawa.
Yes.
Sa PPL.
Yes. Come on, dali na.
Picture na kayo doon.
Picture.
Pag nakikita ka,